Hello guys, welcome to Minecraft building a house. Now you can pick creative or survival. I'll pick survival, I guess. I didn't really get a look at that name. Oh. So if you don't know how to, let me just try to burn this creeper. Okay, so I think I made a floor there. So I'll have to get out of this swamp. Okay, let's get on to the prairie soon. Let's hope that. Ah, there's a perfect spot. Let's first go to our first home. It will need a portal. So that's 3, 4, and 5. So now we're going to build up. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now let's do that on the other side. Oops, I dropped my things. First, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then you go, and then you click, don't go up like that. See, I have flint and steel. And we're going to go to our first home. And then we're going to go build her. So, we're in the end now. Oh. So, we're in the end. And we need our sword. So, go into E. And if you're in survival, you might want to get a iron sword because that's the best one to get the pig zombies. So don't fall into the lava if you're in survival. See, I'm in creative, so I'm pretty much good. So where were those pig zombies? There's one. So these guys can't get catched on fire. Only if they go through the portal.
Who are you talking to?
Video. So that was my sister Nina. Get that pig zombie. Before he hits you in survival, you might want to get him. Oh, it just gave me some info. No, thank you. It just gave me some info, so if I'm into adventure, we can actually get a diamond sword exactly in 1 minute. So, you see, I'm up here. So don't go on those in survival. Don't get killed if you go on that too much. Wait, so first get some armor too. So first get those. Oh, I already have diamond armor on. Escape. Ooh, diamond helmet. That's sweet. Ow. It's a little burning. You can pretend you're in survival when you're actually. So what am I doing here? Oh, that's unfortunate. Ooh, what is that? Oh, jeez. End caves are very rare. Oh, this is not an end cave, dang it. Oh, but there's more pig zombies. Oh, missed. See, that was a big jump for me. So I'll have to go back up as high as Whoa, people, get this thing out. Get that zombie. 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 We need to get these things. Oh yeah. Oh no, there's still some left. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. Oh yeah. Wee. Ooh. Yay, that was awesome. Hey, I've never seen mushrooms in the end. See, you can't break anything with a sword. Unless you're in survival. You can break stuff with a sword in survival. Ooh, that's great. Wapow! 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 What? What? I thought they didn't die in this thing. This is condition. We haven't found our house yet. Our first house is actually pretty giant. You wouldn't think it's actually a house. So let's go fly around and see if we can find it. I don't see any houses up here. Don't see any houses here either. Brick? Flying brick? So... Oh, there's a ghost. Just popped up. Yeah, 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 yeah. Don't. So if you're in survival, they'll shoot lava bombs at you. Yeah, no, missed him. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. 2 ghosts. This might be an army of ghosts. If I can spawn another one. 3 ghosts means an army of ghosts, and that's bad for survival on you. Underneath the cap lock. Whoops. So you can't launch a boat. Nina, why are you nodding? Sorry, that's not